How does a doctor fail 3 classes in medical school and not remember which ones they are? Hi, I'm Gerald Oginski, a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. I asked this question to a doctor that I was cross-examining on an orthopedic malpractice trial recently this past month in Kings County Supreme Court in Brooklyn. And it came up because the doctor told us that it took him 5 years to graduate medical school. I said, "Doctor, would you please explain to the jury why it took you 5 years to graduate when all of your classmates took only 4 years? His answer, because I failed 3 classes in medical school and I now had to retake an entire year. Now later on, when his attorney had questioned him on direct examination, after he was done, I had a chance to cross-examine the doctor. And I asked him this question. I said, "Doctor, you were very enthusiastic and you told us about all of these electives that you were taking about sports medicine. I said, but you neglected to tell us what were the 3 classes that you failed that prompted you to have to retake an entire year over again." His answer, "I don't remember." I said, "What? What do you mean you don't remember? How can you not remember?" "I don't remember." Do you really believe that a doctor who failed 3 medical school classes and now had to take an entire year over again doesn't remember which exact classes they were? I think it's total. But the jury didn't care. But that's what was so amazing. Here's a guy who said, "I don't remember what classes I failed." The jury disregarded the fact that he failed these 3 classes. They disregarded the fact that it was totally unbelievable that he didn't remember what those classes were. I'm telling you, it's just not believable. And that's it for today's video tip. I'm Gerald Oginski here in New York. Thanks for joining me.